Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now for this project, I'm going to be using a Dollar Tree hula hoop, and this is the 20-inch one. Okay, for this project, what you want to do is spray paint your hula hoop with a white spray paint or a color of your choice. And this is how my hula hoop turned out once I spray painted. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of this Dollar Tree twig garland and I'm going to wrap it around my hula hoop. Now once I wrap it all around the hula hoop, I am going to be securing it with some hot glue. So next I'm going to take some of these Dollar Tree ferns. So what I'm going to do with the fern is I'm going to remove the leaf and then I'm going to cut the little stem off. So I'm just going to take that stem and I'm going to hot glue it to my hula hoop, and I'm going to continue to cut off some leaves and then hot glue them and just repeat the same process. And then once you've gone all around with those leaves, it'll look something like this. This is giving me a very tropical vibe decor. What do you think? Next I'm going to add these Dollar Tree tea lights to my hula hoop. So I'm just going to grab some twine and I'm going to just tie them at the top of the tea lights and then just hang them off my hula hoop. In total, I'll be hanging 4 of those tea lights. This project is turning out really pretty. I think it would look really nice in a patio with a tropical theme. Now I could have left it as is, but I decided to add some flowers to this. So I'm going to add these daisies. So what I'm going to do is remove the flowers off these stems, and I'm only going to hot glue the flowers onto my hula hoop. And then lastly, I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree Bodum candles that are battery operated, and then I'm just going to put them in my tea light holders. And this is how they look lighted up. And so here is my hula hoop chandelier. It is hanging above my breakfast table. You guys, I love the way this turned out. It looks very tropical and just so pretty. I just want you to see the different angles and how it looks, and just looks very whimsical and tropical. Does that even make sense? I don't know, but I love it. Now for this next project, I've already spray painted the hula hoop, and what I'm going to do here is just hot glue some of this ribbon going from top to bottom. I made these little twine flowers and I'm going to show you how I made them. So I wrapped some twine around my 4 fingers as I'm showing you right there. And then I cut the end, pinched the center, and then tied the center with another piece of twine. I repeated the process one more time. And then I took those 2 pieces and I hot glued them together. And I also created one more. So I'm going to take some of these white little flowers that are also from Dollar Tree. I cannot recall the name. And I'm also going to use some of the fern leaves. I'm going to go ahead and cut the stem off the fern. And now I'm just going to add these ferns and flowers to my hula hoop. I'm just going to hot glue them. And I'm also going to hot glue my little twine flowers. I printed out some of these family pictures and I'm going to be framing them with some of these Dollar Tree golden gems. And this is how they are turning out. I'm going to be taping the pictures with this foam mounting tape, and all I'm going to do is just cut those little pieces of foam, attach them on the back of my printed picture, and then attach it to my ribbon. And I'm just going to lay out my pictures how I want them to be. I mean, this is the flowers that I chose and also the ribbon I chose, obviously. But if you decide to do this project, you can change everything to match your decor. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you thought about this decor. Well, that's it for these projects. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.